I'm giving my dogs blueberry muffins because they're really addicted to them. Especially the red one, Sadie. See? Sit. Alright. And another one for Eric. Here you go. Used to be my cat, but that was the last muffin. Part of a blueberry muffin. Look at all those blueberries. And that's Sadie, with the look on her face like she wants it. And so does she. She wants everything.
No, you see,
So you want it?
into the microphone.
Blueberry?
It won't follow you.
Muffin?
But I can't.
Yeah?
It's a duet for a man and a woman. We are as close as we've got. Your headphones and goodbye to know. You should wear them all the time. How is that?
Poor Arrow gets nothing.
Arrow, you got a lot of food. You keep on stealing the bone. You don't get any blueberry. My cat likes blueberry muffins. That's why it's on my lap.
Alright.
Yeah.
With a shadow overhead.
Ew.
With a cloud
Listen to her.
above my bed. Cloud is not right. What is that word?
Cloud.
Well, write more clearly. How can I
Why would
possibly
you have a
read?
clown in your bed?
Let me tell you, we're not the first time.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Just write.
Why is there a clown in your bed?
Hey, why don't you write it?
We're going to come back.
Fine,
I'll say.
you write it.
Yes. You dictate. I'll write. I will write like a human.
Oh, well. Your blueberries.
No.
Oh, I've seen it. I didn't see the beginning though.
Don't you love it after what he says?
You're not writing here.
At the end, you love it when he says.
I can't have you here. I'll be completely.
Hotel for like food.
I've never been the other side.
Pop does my heart. That song's in my head.
Good. Better. Still a fraction close. Just back off. Just one. Just. Fine. Good.
Well, that one part is like, well, I've never been outside before.
Okay, you may now start filling the next one. All I wanna do is find a way back in.
So what, they tried on that guy or something?
What's with the guy anyway?
I can't make it through without a
What?
way back into love.
What?
Oh.
No, it's my blueberry muffin. I eat it.
Have you just been taping this entire time?
Sorry.
Going deaf.
Right. Great.
That part.